Afternoon guys, it's James. So welcome to another video for Advanced in Car. Now, if you don't already know, we are one of the best, if not the best, places to come for your transporter to have some new toys, gadgets or tech supplied and fitted. Obviously we're down in Poole in Dorset and we take great care and pride in what we do. That's the reason why we've got so many excellent reviews, so some thumbs up. So today we've got the T6.1 in for the new aftermarket headlamps. So these new headlamps, new bumper coming off and the insert behind. New headlights have gone in and these are aftermarket LED daytime running lamps and LED projector for the dipped and the main beam. These are going to be ridiculously bright on the road and this customer is already really excited because he's waited a long time for these to become available for his car. At the moment there's just the silver on silver, which already looks quite striking at the front of this van. And what we're going to do is during the video we're going to show you with the lights on and the lights off what the lights look like, and we'll do the best hopefully with the camera to not have to work too hard to show you what it looks like. But if you've got a T6.1 and you're fed up with the stupid candles that Volkswagen have supplied you to drive with at night, which are not brilliant, and it's the same with the T6s, we've done loads and loads and loads of upgrades for these, get in touch with us. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk. Chuck us a contact form, I'll ask you some details and we can get you booked in for these fab T6.1 aftermarket lights. As I said earlier, LED DRLs, daytime running lights. You've got your indicators, you've got two projector lamps for your dipped and your main beam. They're both LED, so at night this is going to be awesome. So just to talk about the indicators first, the indicator on this T6.1 headlamp is down here, same sort of location as the factory one, but with the key out of the ignition and nothing on, if Richard hits the hazard lights, you're going to now see that we've got the sequential, the dynamic indicator down here like so. But if he hits the hazard button again and puts the key in the ignition, now puts the indicator on, what happens is the DRL goes off, because otherwise you've got maybe a bit of confusing factor of having the DRL on and the indicator. So as soon as he stops indicating, the DRL will come on. And that's a modern feature in a lot of cars, because otherwise people would say, well, I was blinded by the DRLs, I couldn't see the indicator. So again, indicator on, and you've got pure safety, DRLs go off, indicator comes on. Right, we're done. So these are the new headlights in, ready to go. So Richard's going to put the ignition on, and ordinarily you've got your two upside down eyebrows or your semicircles, they're your DRLs, the LED daytime running lights. Now, irrespective of whether you've got your ignition on driving during the day or you switch to side lights, they're both exactly the same. The only time that this changes is when Richard then goes to drive at night, which he wouldn't be because it's not his van, but he goes to put it on at night time, and when he switches to dipped beam, what will happen is the DRLs, the daytime running lights, will just reduce their brightness and this projector on the outside will come on. So this is for you driving normal at night, down the normal road, 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night, whatever, and these DRLs are slightly reduced in brightness, the projector comes on. Now, if he turns the headlights or the dipped beam off and goes back to side lights or off, you will just have the DRLs. This is pretty much the same setup as the factory ones, but these are full brightness DRLs. So now, if Richard was to flash a car coming out and just flash on, so you've got both projectors on. Both projectors on. So now if you turn off the main headlights, now flash to let somebody out. So what happens is the DRLs switch off completely so as not to confuse matters. DRLs have gone off and you flash somebody again, it's just the main beam projectors lighting up. So when you're not doing that and you've got your main beam, or sorry, your dipped beam on, like so, and you flash somebody, both of them will be on. So if you are driving down a country lane and you've got both projectors on with the LED lights or the lamps in there, it's going to be mega bright. So this is the T6.1 aftermarket headlamps with the LED upgrade for the projector bulbs or lamps. This is it, they're awesome. They look really, really good. And if you want to have this fitted in your van and you want to improve your driving, your visibility at night, please get in touch with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends and family, and get in touch with us and we can get all this fitted for your van.